How to add multiple photos to one Instagram story. So first of all, open up the Instagram on your phone, then click on the plus sign that you see on the top of your profile picture at the top. Okay, then click on the camera option, then click on create. Now you can go ahead and choose a random color here. Okay, once you do it, then click on the sticker option at the top. Click on the photo that you see, photo option in the second line. Now go ahead and choose a photo just like this. Now you can actually reshape it. Okay, simply use two fingers here. You can make it big, you can make it small, or you can give it many other shapes as well. Okay, now you want to add another photo. Again, click on the sticker option and then choose camera roll and put up another pic. Okay, just like this. Then you can again reshape it. Okay, something like that. Okay, maybe few other options. Okay, just like this. So you can just add multiple photos simply like this. This is the only option that you have. So thank you for watching the video.